How's it going, everyone? Mark from Brick Foundation here. Not only were there some more Lego leaks, but this morning I actually was able to get my hands on the new Adidas Lego collab, the ZX 8000. So very excited, guys. I got the confirmation just a little while ago. So I want to talk a little bit about that. When this was first announced a few weeks ago, I was very excited because these are the two things that I enjoy most. I love shoes and I love Lego. So combining those two things together, I was ecstatic. I was so excited. Literally, I don't think Adidas could do wrong with their collab with Lego. There was nothing that they could have come up with that would have like, well, no, I'm not going to get that because I love them both. Actually, to be honest, at first when they announced this, there was so much promotion from Lego and Adidas. I was like, oh, there's plenty of these shoes going to be around. It's not going to be that difficult to get. Then all of a sudden, and that all changed a few days ago when I heard it's going to be exclusively through the Adidas app. Maybe a small handful of them will be able to do it through the Lego VIP or 2 small sneaker shops in Europe. Okay, great. Well, can't go to Europe, and I haven't had much luck on the Adidas app lately, so started getting a little worried. 2 of my friends said, hey, we don't want the shoes, but we'll still go ahead and enter the drawing for you. I'm like, thank you, perfect. So 9 a.m. September 25th was the drawing for Adidas through the app, and one by one, both my friends text me, sorry man, didn't get him. Sorry man, didn't get him. And again, I'm looking at my app, no response. Okay, I might not get these. And if I don't get them, I'm gonna have to go through some third-party app, which is GOAT, StockX, or even eBay, which I know I'm paying way over retail for. All of a sudden, I get this ding in my phone. Congratulations, you won. Perfect, that is a great way to start the day. So what do you guys think of the shoe? I know I heard a lot of people say that it looks really kiddish, but hey, it's Lego, what do you guys expect? Now, is it something that maybe possibly I'm probably gonna wear? Probably not, but to have it into my shoe collection, I'm very excited to have. You best believe that when I do receive these shoes, the ZX 8000s, I will be doing an unboxing. I will wait to record with y'all so you can see my reaction, you can see it firsthand. What I'm also gonna do is also build a Lego shoebox, the one that's kind of been circulating around. I want to put my little spin on it and you guys tell me what you think. If you guys want to see that, give this video a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for this video. I did receive a couple alerts for a new Lego leak. That video is going to come out maybe just a couple hours, so stay tuned. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. See you guys later.